welcome to this luxury home in Highland. 7 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 5,900 square feet, and you're going to be delighted by the backyard. Come on in and take a look. Woo! This home is located in Beacon Hills, right next to Twin Bridges. Lots of professionals live in this area and there is kids of all ages. This family room has shiplap fireplace. Just come and sit down by the fire and relax. This spacious kitchen that's in open plan living has 2-inch granite countertops and stunning gorgeous little knobs. Have a look. Follow me upstairs where there's 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. This basement is over 2,000 square feet. It's got 9-foot ceilings and 3 bedrooms, and also entry to the backyard. Come and check out the outside. This beautiful deck is composite wood. You never have to do anything with it. This house is situated on 4.5 acres. Check out all this space. This backyard is great for entertaining. Wish I was having a marshmallow by the fire right now. Did I mention the chicken coop? Check out the chicken coop and the chicken run. We have a playhouse that's actually got power to it. And over here we've got basketball and pickleball. Come check out this trail. It leads to Hogs Hollow hiking and mountain biking. Come and see. This place has no neighbours behind them and spectacular views. There's our little playhouse just behind us, and check out those mountains. If you have dogs, they are going to love exploring their backyard. Hey Teddy, let's go. Whew, I'm exhausted after all that hiking. Straight on into the master room though, where I can sit down and relax.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on it, out. Smoke it up, I got some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Supposed to say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah. Heard them lasers talking now, and we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch and know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on it, had to tell them